Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make shrimp in a red sauce, which is our Rougaille crevette. The ingredients are some shrimp, divine, clean, wash, peel, everything is ready to go. And then I have one medium onion finely sliced, or you can chop them, you can dice them, doesn't matter. Some green chilies, this is really hot green chilies, some fresh thyme, salt, tomatoes, this is fresh tomato paste. You can use canned tomato, the whole tomato in the can, and then you blend it into a paste just like that. Do not use a tomato puree, do not use tomato paste that come in the can. Just use a fresh one, blend it, or just use a whole canned tomato and then blend it. These two options are the best for this recipe. We also need some vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil today, and some chopped coriander for garnishing, and also green onion, which is frozen right now. I'll bring that at the time I need it. For now, I'm gonna take it to the stove. Let's get started. My oil is heating. The heat is between medium and high. I want this shrimp to cook on more than medium heat, a little bit higher than medium, just so the heat, the shrimp doesn't reduce water. We don't want this shrimp to release too much water. Once the shrimp gonna get too dry, and then it won't be as tender as you wanna eat it. Normally, if you overcook shrimp, it's not good. So make sure you don't overcook your shrimp. We are just looking to fry the shrimp. That may take about, this is about 2 pounds of shrimp, so it's gonna take about 5 to 6 minutes for all of them. If you're doing this for 1 pound, then it's gonna take you about 3 to 4 minutes. Now to that I'm gonna add a bit of salt. I'm not gonna add too much because this is going to go in the sauce, and the sauce will have salt as well. Some black pepper. And now we're gonna mix this up. As soon as you see the shrimp gets a reddish color, you know the shrimp is ready, and also you don't want to see water as well. So let that cook, and then we're gonna move forward. Alright, so the shrimp is ready. Now it's easy to use a slaughter spoon to remove the shrimp. It's like very helpful. Remove them all. Alright, so now to the same oil, this is the juice of the shrimp. We're not gonna throw that. This is not water at all. I have reduced the heat to medium, and now you wanna add your fresh tomatoes or the canned whole tomatoes that I have blended into paste. You're gonna add that. You're gonna add your green chilies. If your family member doesn't eat hot pepper, you can add the chilies when it's only 5 minutes left for the Rougaille, for the red sauce to cook. Now add your fresh thyme. Very important to have the fresh thyme, not the dry one. The dry one has absolutely a weird taste. I absolutely don't like that. I prefer the fresh thyme. Just add your thyme. And then you're gonna add a little bit of salt. Obviously salt to taste. And then give this a mix. Cover and let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. If your sauce didn't get thicker in 15 to 20 minutes, then you're gonna let this cook for up to 25 minutes, and then we're gonna continue. Okay, now you guys can see the oil has been separated from the sauce, right? So this was cooking for 20 minutes. and also it's not that thick. This is a gravy that you can see. This is what we are looking for. And now we're gonna add the shrimp to the sauce. Give this a stir. Let those sauce soak in this shrimp. Looks beautiful, looks yummy. And now we're gonna let this shrimp cook in this sauce for about 3 minutes. About a cup of green onion, fresh green onion. The red color, the green color. This is the perfect combination in colorful. This looks beautiful to me. Alright, so now I have just reduced the heat to low, and I want this to cook on low heat. I want this shrimp to absorb this sauce. My shrimp in a red sauce, my Rougaille crevette is ready. Now I want to show you how I like to have my red sauce shrimp. This thickness for me is good. This is how I like it. Okay, and I have used the not a small shrimp, but you can see the smoke, but like a medium size of shrimp. They did shrink a little bit. And now I like to garnish this with some chopped coriander. Now don't skip the coriander in this food, in this dish, because the coriander, the fresh coriander, when you add it, and then at the time you're gonna serve, you're gonna mix them all. The taste of this red sauce will be divine. You won't believe me. Just don't skip it. Get the full written recipe down below. I'm gonna go serve this with my plain white rice and lentils as we make in Mauritius. I have grew up eating lentils as my mom was making. So this is what I'm gonna serve with this, and of course a green salad on the side. Don't forget to like this video if you did like it. Subscribe if you haven't already for more videos. The written recipe ingredient is in the description box. I will see you next time. Bye.